It's important to understand that entering the exciting realm of beauty product export can be both lucrative and challenging. To navigate this market effectively, you need to understand the product that resonates with different export markets around the world. Good day, my name is Dela Imban. I'm your export doctor. Thank you for stopping by. This is where we discuss everything international trade. And today we continue our conversation that we started recently, and it involves talking about how to export different products, particularly from the perspective of Nigeria, how to export different products. Today, I'm moving on to value-added goods. I've talked about commodity product. I've talked about artworks. I've talked about agro-commodity. I've talked about raw material. I've talked about oil products, oil and fat products. I'll also be talking about minerals, solid minerals. But today I'm looking at manufactured good, beauty product. Today I'm looking at manufactured good, beauty product. It's important to understand that entering the exciting realm of beauty product export can be both lucrative and challenging. To navigate this market effectively, you need to understand the product that resonates with different export markets around the world. For example, in Asia, you have the K-Beauty initiative, the undisputed trendsetter, featuring innovative ingredients, multi-step routine, lightweight formulas, and focus on skincare products like essence, sheet masks, and BB creams. Natural and organic product is also of interest to the Asians. There's a growing demand for clean beauty aligned with Korean and Japan minimalist tradition. Highlight organic ingredient and sustainable packaging in the product you are trying to ship to such market. Whitening product is also popular in Southeast Asia, though ethical consideration around skin lightening require a careful marketing strategy. How about Europe? If you're looking at European market, anti-aging solution is of importance. High demand for serum, cream, and treatment addressing skin wrinkles, fine lines, and loss of firmness. Invest in research and innovative ingredients that solve this problem, then you'll be able to secure the market in Europe. They also like the luxury brand and high quality formulation. Europeans appreciate premium packaging, sophisticated fragrance, and scientifically backed ingredients. They also like makeup for mature skin, develop product and marketing campaign catering for a diverse age range with specific needs. How about North America? They prefer functional makeup, multitasking product like BB cream, tinted moisturizer, and hybrid lipstick offer convenience and efficiency. How about hair care for texture hair? Growing awareness and demand for products catering to curly, coily, and afro-textured hair opens significant opportunity. Inclusivity and diverse shade range, and this caters to a multicultural market with broad spectrum in makeup and skin care. The idea is this: even in Latin America, Middle East, all of them have their peculiarity. So thorough market research is important. Cultural sensitivity is important. Regulatory compliance is important. And of course, don't joke with quality in whatever you are trying to sell to this region. Do you have an idea of the market size of beauty products in the world? $62.7 billion. And this is as of 2021, $62 billion. $62 billion. Who are the major buyers? The demand in South America for beauty products is very low, about $1 billion. But the demand also in Asia, in Oceania, Australia and New Zealand is also low, about 1 billion. In Africa, it's also low, about 1 billion. But North America, US, Canada, Mexico, 7.58 billion. But you have better market in Europe and Asia. In Europe, 21.7 billion. But in Asia, about half of the total demand for beauty products in the world is going to Asia. So who are the people demanding for it? 21% of the market, China. As small as Hong Kong is, Hong Kong demand is competing with US demand for beauty products. Hong Kong, about 8%. US, about 8%. Singapore, 4%. Germany, 4.5%. UK, 3.5%. France, 3.08%. These are the market with demand for this product. How about the packaging? Packaging beauty product for export involve careful consideration for product types. Materials regulation and protection during transit involve careful consideration of the product type, material, and regulation and protection during transit. Look at some of the things you need to put into consideration. Number one, is the type of the product. Different beauty product, cream, liquid, powder, require specific packaging to protect against leakage and breakage and spoilage. Leakage, breakage, and spoilage. Choose packaging materials suitable for each type. Use an airtight and leak-proof container for liquid and cream products. Ensure powder products are well lead, have a very secure lead. Don't joke with regulatory compliance. Regulatory compliance. Failure to comply with international regulation regarding packaging material labeling and product information can lead to seizure. Research and adhere to packaging regulation in the destination country. Fragility and breakage. Fragile products such as glass bottles are prone to breakage during transit. And so you use shock-resistant packaging materials such as bubble wrap or foam insert. Temperature sensitivity. Some beauty products are sensitive to temperature or temperature variation, leading to changes in texture or even the effectiveness. Choose packaging materials that provide thermal insulation. Consider insulated packaging or temperature control shipping and for sensitive products. How about labeling and branding? Inadequate and unclear labeling can lead to misunderstanding and issue with regulatory compliance. Now, if you are exporting beauty products from Nigeria, in addition to NXP application form for export, pro forma invoice and export license, and ensuring custom issue their single good declaration and clean certificate of inspection from inspection agent, with bill of lading invoice and packing for the shipment, please ensure the product have NAFDAC at the minimum. If you are doing food, drug, and cream, the minimum standard is that the product have NAFDAC, the regulatory agency for food and drug products locally, the minimum. And then a third-party inspection needs to be done so that the buyer will be sure of the quality of what he's getting, to also be sure you are sure of the quality of what you are shipping yourself to the export market. So what are the common quality issues with beauty products? Packaging damage. Damaged packaging during transit is common, leading to spillage, breakage, and contamination. Use shock-resistant packaging materials. Implement proper cushioning, padding, and secure closure. Labeling error. Incorrect or incomplete product information on label, causing regulatory non-compliance. Ensure accurate and compliant labeling. Regularly update labels to meet destination country regulation. Implement a robust quality control process and labeling. How about product contamination? Contamination of beauty products during production, packaging, or transit. Adhere strictly to hygiene, cleanliness standard during manufacturing and packaging. Ingredient stability. Ingredient in beauty product experience changes in stability and efficacy. Remember, they are chemical products. And they have expiry date. Conduct stability tests in formulation. Choose packaging that protect against air, sunlight, and moisture. Air, sunlight, and moisture. These are very, very, very important packaging considerations. Have you learned one or two things today in this session and you love what you're hearing? Give it a thumbs up. If you have a friend that is into beauty product that want to consider export, share with your friends. More importantly, drop your question for me in the comment section. And it's important that you join our community, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell so you know when we upload the next video. And by the way, the next video is going to be cassava product, different cassava product or cassava derivative. My name is Dela Imi, but I'm your export doctor, and I'm signing out.